This 2009 4 Winds International Chateau Citation 29BG is a Class C RV. It is located in Willow Street, Pennsylvania, 17584 and is offered for sale by RV Value Mart. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used 4 Winds International is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 33 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features rear bedroom. This 2009 4 Winds International Chateau Citation 29BG is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.